Alright, first time it didn't work. Um, what's up, everyone? Today is November 6th, 2025. I'm going to be reviewing price action. Um, hopefully, you guys, I don't know, enjoy this. If not, it's cool too. This is just, me reviewing the day. And yeah, I already kind of started mapping stuff out for today, so um, yeah, this is the only thing I've marked out so far, but we had an amazing premium fair value gap on the hourly chart, and I would have loved to have taken this, but I was not on the charts at the time. But yeah, we have a 1 hour fair value gap in premium. It's actually, if I had to guess, it's probably at OTE. Yeah, we push up into OTE, so that's kind of a cool little fun bonus, right? And then we have high time frame AMD, low time frame AMD, and then 5 minute aligned time frame inversion per value gap. And yes, you heard me say that right. Um, After enough backtesting, I've realized we can align flow state with an inversion per value gap. So we have a 1 hour fair value gap. We're aligning it with a 5 minute IPG. So flow state close 8:45. So this is for what? Thursday. All right, we gotta make a new folder for today. So 11/6/25, Thursday. Obviously, you could just take this as an inversion for value gap without the higher time frame, but flow state close 8:45. Flow state close 1 hour for value gap 5 minute. 5 minute, and then we're gonna put in brackets IPG because it's a inversion. Okay, but the really nice way to take this was on the 10 minute. We get basically an even cleaner one, where, wow, that was beautiful. Yeah, would have liked to take this. The issue with trading is you have to be on the charts exactly when you want to take the trade, but whatever. And then obviously you could have held it all the way down. Man, imagine I just need to live stream the markets 24/7. If I live stream the markets 24/7, like, I'm gonna be catching these. That's the secret. Maybe when I'm on my own and I can do that, I'll do that. Oh, whoops. So 850 inversion for value gap on the 10 minute. Clean. Okay. So then we go lower. Did we have an RTH gap? And if so, was it filled? Oh, this is interesting. This is one of the first cases I've seen where we actually had an RTH gap to the upside and it wasn't filled. But we did have one to the downside. But we had kind of filled that one already. I guess we refilled it, huh? We refilled it a second time. Interesting. Something to note, taking a mental note of that. That we had this old RTH gap. Here, let's get rid of everything real quick. We had an old RTH gap over here. Even though it was filled with after hours price action, it wasn't filled with New York price action. I don't know if that makes a difference, but honestly, it looks like it did. You get what I mean? Like, we, in between here and here, I guess, or maybe it was in between here and here, but at some point in here, we'd already previously filled this, but we ended up filling it again in New York price action. Note for the future, RTH gap was filled with overnight price action, but not New York. Still ended up being a draw in New York later on. I don't know if that made sense. Probably didn't, but I'll show you guys what I mean. So see how we drew down into it and it was drawn liquidity here. Well, we had already had that as a draw over here, but this happened in Asia, so it was used again as a draw in New York. So I'm going to mark this out as RTH note and then RTH note image 2. And we could look around at possibly taking a Asia trade, not opposed. Now that I'm now doing that, right, where I'm allowing myself unlimited break-evens and wins, 1 loss in New York, unlimited break-evens and wins, 1 loss in Asia, or London, Asia/London. We'll see. But yeah, it was a very simple day in terms of what occurred. I just wish I had been on the charts right at 8:30, because if I'd been on the charts at 8:30, then I would have caught the initial leg lower, which I think was the real big opportunity for the day. So I don't know, it's tricky because obviously I wanted to catch that, and that was the main opportunity for the day. I don't know. Then we just kept going lower. Now, I guess there was opportunity here, and I should have been more thoughtful to catch it, because we ended up getting a price leg from premium to discount, rebalance, equilibrium of it. Yeah, you know what? There actually was opportunity here, and I should have been more thoughtful to try and take a continuation play, but I didn't. So right, well then again, well no, because we left equal lows. Yeah, we left equal lows. Anyway, 5-minute for value gap. Yeah, this was nice, by the way. Okay, so this was the inversion dodge you took, but this was nice. Such a simple trade. We had 5-minute leg from premium to discount. We rebalanced it perfectly. And then we had after we rebalanced this price leg, we had a line time frame change instead of delivery right here. Bang. Whew, yeah, that was so clean, guys. And then we went lower out of this. And it was a 2022 model. It was both. Hey, what up, Javier? Good to see you. Yeah, this is one I would have taken. Or at least I would have liked to have taken. I mean, I can't say for sure if I would have. I probably would have taken it on the second change in state out of this, right? Because we have one change in state and then we get another one here. Upon getting this one, I'd probably enter it like that. And that probably would have been fine. It's just a lower change in state. But yeah, the higher one is nice, but it's more scary. But you could have taken the higher one. Go stop above the order block. This would have been crazy RR. You'd have to have conviction that the draw on liquidity was lower. But then 8 projections takes us down to... I'd go 7 because for me, I wouldn't know if we were going to react off that rejection block. And that was clean. But yeah, how's it going, Javier? Good to see you. Once again, I wish I could take these. It's not easy. I kind of want to... I kind of want to look at price action right now. You never know. Yeah, there's honestly, price is not moving bad at all. It's really not moving bad. What do I think the draw on liquidity is, though? That's the thing. I mean, that is the thing. I don't know. What is the draw on liquidity? So, like, I could consider taking a trade, but it would need to be obvious. Right now, it's not super obvious. I'm not super sure. Yeah, I'll look at that more in just a second. But yeah, this was nice. Flow state out of this fair value gap. Oh, scary to take that live though. I mean, it really is. It's hard. Sometimes trading takes some balls. I mean, it does, right? You can't. You gotta just say, "Yo, this has got good signature. Let me just accept the risk." And then if it does hit, you look like a genius, right? But at the end of the day, you were just saying, "Hey, this is worth the probability." And that's the hard part, right? It's not easy. So yeah, we perfectly rebalanced the price leg, 5-minute for value gap, liquidity sweep of here, and then 30-second change in state. Bro, today ES and YM retested Tuesday low and sold off. Check on daily chart and you'll see why that one. That was the next one to get retested. NQ didn't. Wait, Tuesday. ES and YM retested Tuesday low and sold off. Oh, I'll check that in just a second. That seems interesting. First, I'm going to record this. Alright. Like I said, I liked this. It's a little bit, it's a higher arse trade, and that makes it scary, but it was nice. Oh, wait, one more thing I want to look at with this is 1028. So 10. Once again, I saw it a little too late. That's okay. 1028. Flow state retest. Should we just start calling it MMXM retest? Yeah, let's just start calling it MMXM. 5-minute, 30-second. Okay, and then let me rename the other one. So yeah, today ES and YM retested Tuesday low and sold off. Tuesday low. Maybe just send me an image because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I see it. Maybe just send me an image. This is Tuesday low. Yeah, I don't know. You guys think I should call it MMXM or flow state? Like, it's the same thing, but I just don't want to. Okay, I'm going to still think about it a little bit more. I'm not going to do it yet. I'm going to call it flow state just a little longer because I just don't know if people are going to. It really doesn't matter. Honestly, I might just keep calling it flow state. Doesn't really matter, honestly. Yeah, let's just keep calling it flow state. But yeah, this ended up going much, much lower. We actually went. What's the best way to measure out projections? Honestly, guys, I don't think 16 projections is the best way. I think it's probably better to do like 14 or 15. Or maybe just 12. Twelve is nice. Anyway. It's just going to take some trial and error to figure out what one's the best. Yeah, we do continue lower there. We had a 15-minute gap as well, probably, if I had to guess. Yeah, we had a 15-minute gap. So you could have waited for a 1-minute change in state. I guess that was also a 1-minute change in state, huh? Okay, let's also show how this was a 2022 model. Let's go back. Right, because it was a 2022 model as well. Right, so we sweep out these highs into equilibrium. We get a displacement leg. Let's actually look at it on the 15 second. It's probably where it'll be the most clear. Yeah, whew. Now this is nice. And then we have a 15-minute gap here. I mean 15-second gap in premium. Perfectly at equilibrium. So once again, using equilibrium to identify the PD array is what this equilibrium is used for. And then for the 2022 model, I'm using this equilibrium. So I have a video that's going to come out on equilibrium at some point, and I'm basically going to say, like, go over how there's two different ways I use equilibrium. One is to identify the PD array, which in this case was this 5-minute for value gap, and then the next would be when it's a 2022 model. I wait for I want to see a fair value gap for the 2022 model at equilibrium. You don't need a higher time frame key level for the 2022 model, but still, it's nice. So imagine thinking TGR's model doesn't work. People actually think that. Lol. They're dumb. They're dumb. TGR's a goat. Alright, let's go ahead and screenshot this. You guys starting to see the 2022 model? How it works? Liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap at equilibrium, or even just a regular fair value gap, and then lower prices or higher, whichever way you're sending it. 1028 2022 model, 15-second. And then as well, we can go in and we can say, is this a GB range? Oh, wow. That was convenient. So this is interesting. It like looks like it fits in the range, but I don't know. It's not where it needs to be. So anyway, interesting. Once again, you do not need Goldbach to line up. It's okay if it doesn't. Let's also take a look at quarterly theory. Right, let's see. Do we have true opens? We're above. Yeah, let's just actually just get our lines out to tell us. So 1052. Okay, that one's not helpful. 1013. This is the main one that's helpful here. And then yeah, past that, I don't think there are any other helpful ones. Obviously, there was a 6-minute one in here. I don't care. I'm not gonna get that precise. It's fine. Okay. All right. Let's look at something else. Yeah, man.
Hi.
Hi, do you want to hang out with me?
I was just making sure you were alive.
Jacob, do you by chance have my headphones?
No.
Those fries good, Jake?
Oh, so good. Thank you, Ethan.
Of course. I was making sure you're alive because your location says that you were, like, in town. And I was like, did Jacob leave?
You thought I would have left?
Yeah. Yeah, because look.
That's crazy.
Because look. It said you were at an elementary school. This is why I was looking for him, Janet.
Stay connected, Janet.
Wait, where is my phone now that you mention it? Oh, it's right here.
Let's listen to him.
That's funny. My friend was worried about me. He's like, yo, it says you're at an elementary school. I was like, what? Okay, interesting. So yeah, this was high resistant. I had the right idea for that Vol model. I didn't execute it right. But it did end up being high resistant. I was right. We just kept going lower out of that. Then again, we did go higher later, but Okay, let's see. This inversion to the downside was really nice. Oh, Dodgy talked about this. Yeah, so Dodgy talked about how we got an inversion. I think it was on the 32nd. It was Fridays? Oh. You're good. Let me look at that in a second.
Are you on live?
Yeah.
I want to come say hi.
Oh, okay. It's just me and Javier right now.
Hey Javier, can you hear me?
Yeah, he can hear you. So
Oh, you can't hear him,
right
though.
now we're looking at this trade. Dodgy took this. We sweep out these guys here.
Okay.
So you see this? This is a liquidity sweep. Do you know what a liquidity sweep is?
Mm-mm.
So basically what will happen is you'll have old highs. The market will perfectly react off of old highs and then immediately go the other direction. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
That
That's so cool.
is precision in the market. So
So how do I trade on here? Like,
So
is
if
this
the
how much money
market-
you're making?
if the market
25,000?
was random, it wouldn't do that. It would not do liquidity sweeps. If it was really actually random, this would not be possible. Right?
Oh wow.
Because how would it know to perfectly go right above these highs and then go the opposite way? It knows people are gonna get stopped out here.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
This is my sister's boyfriend.
Let's see here. So is this your money? The 25,000? Or no?
No.
I always see big numbers on your trades. I'm like, holy cow, Jake's balling.
No,
Wow.
these numbers are how much the Nasdaq futures contract is trading at right now.
Okay. So that's how much money's in that market. How much people are putting into the market?
That number is just a number. You don't really need to understand it. Just know it's a number.
Okay, so let's say like I wanted to make $10,000. Would I like buy here for
Yeah. So
buy low and then sell high? Is that how you do?
scoot over. I'll show you. I'll show
Okay.
you. So if you took this IPG right here, right, we had a liquidity sweep of these highs delivering for value gap. If you took this inversion for value gap, and let's say you entered with one contract, just one. So here's the gap. So there's a gap between this low and then this high.
So where do I put in my money? Like where do
I'll tell you.
Okay.
So
Let's see what your chat's saying. Let me see here.
that's
No,
the
that's
new-
it. Who's watched? How do you see how many viewers you have?
I don't have that pulled up. I don't look at that.
Oh.
I mean, sometimes I will, but it's usually not in the moment. It's later.
That's
Okay,
smart.
so basically, if you took this inversion for value gap, which if you don't know what that is, it's basically you have an old gap. So a gap is I'm merging these two together, but it's the difference between this and this. We close below it. Right, so we get a liquidity sweep, close below it, so you could enter on this close, stop loss like here, and then let's say you entered with one mini contract.
Okay.
So one mini contract is $20 per point. So
Okay. Let's do it then.
wait.
Let's give it a shot.
What?
Is this like a live market or no?
Live market's all the way over there. This is not. We're just back testing right now.
Oh, can we start? Can I put some money in? Let's get a shot. Let's see what it goes.
All right, we'll try it in a
Let's
second.
do that. Let's
We'll
do it
do
in the live.
we'll do a demo trade in a second. We'll do a demo trade.
No, like a real trade.
with real money.
Yes. I think that might give your viewers what they're wanting. Let's actually do it. Let's do a real trade.
I'm not doing.
I'm just messing.
I mean, we can.
I think it'd be really fun.
You want to do a real trade?
Yeah, maybe tomorrow because I got to run to the gym.
Okay, but
Or
basically,
tomorrow.
this trade would
We can
make
do
you
it.
probably like $800 if you did it with a mini contract.
Oh wow, $800.
Yeah, if you entered with
Wow.
a mini. If you entered with a micro,
Wow.
if you entered with a micro, it'd be like $80.
Wow. You hear that, chat? You can make $800 doing this. That's a lot of money to make in a day.
If you entered with a micro, I mean
That's
a mini.
A mini. Wow. Subscribe, guys, if you're not subscribed already. Jake's gonna be the biggest new thing.
Oh my gosh.
Dodgy.
Wait, I thought you wanted to take a trade.
Well, Janet's waiting for us. I'm probably gonna get going.
But you just said you wanted to take a trade. You have to follow through with it.
Okay. I'm just scared.
It's not real.
Oh, it's not real? Oh, okay. Okay.
No. So I'll show you how to take a trade.
Okay.
So do you want a long or short?
Long. Short. I don't know what that means. Just joking, I do.
So what you do is you go here and you open up trade. Hear this. Look at this. Paper trading. So we're gonna connect to paper trading account. We're gonna make a new account just for me and you whenever we trade.
Okay. Oh, sweet. This is called the Jake and Ethan trade.
Jake and Ethan. We're gonna make. How much money do you want to put in it?
$1 million.
Oh, dude, the leap starting up again. Dude, we gotta do that soon. Oh my.
Okay, hold on. That's the Familia. Hello? Hey, sorry, I'm doing a trade with Jake real fast, then we'll go to the gym. Okay, I love you. I'll see ya. Bye.
Okay.
So did you hear Francisco? He said anything's possible.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. So let's make.
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Okay, so you want $1 million in the account?
$1 million in the account.
So whenever we trade, we're gonna trade with $1 million.
Okay, let's make $1 million.
So one, how many zeros is that?
8 zeros.
3, 5. We need one more zero.
Okay.
So we want to do max leverage. Max.
Here we go, boys.
Do we want to have to pay fees or no? To make it feel real. No fees.
No fees. It's just all just pretend. No, let's do fees. Well, we already created it.
No.
Okay, it's fees. Yeah, let's do fees. Let's make it as real as possible.
All right.
Let's make this quick.
So do you want it short or long?
Short.
Short?
Yeah. This feels like casino level stuff. Holy cow.
How many cons?
20. Here we go. Here we go, boys.
Wait, this is in
Oh, there we go.
euros.
Look at that profit.
Wait. How do we switch it off euros?
It's okay. Let's just keep watching. Okay. Look at that. Is that good?
Yeah, you're up $4,000.
Okay, let's sell now. Let's sell now. We just made $3,000. Okay, boom. You just made $3,000?
Yeah, you just
that
made
fast?
You just made $4,244.
That's all trading is.
Yeah. And you just made $4,000 just like that.
What?
But you could easily lose all your money.
So we just made $4,000.
if you had $1 million, if you had $1 million.
Did you hear that, guys? That
But
was
why
crazy.
is it in euros?
Well, there we
Hey,
go, Jake. Hey,
you gotta be my financial advisor.
Ah!
You just made me
$4,000.
You just made me $4,000, bro.
Hey, you're welcome, man. What can I tell you? I'm a magician.
Yeah, you would have made $4,000.
It's actually real.
Yeah, if you were trading that.
Like if I
for
actually trade $1 million, I would make 4,000.
just doing that, yeah.
Did I help you with your account?
Paper account.
Dude. What did I do right? Like what did I do?
You just clicked the button at the right time.
Wow. You've been stressing for no reason, Jake. It's that easy.
It's not that easy. Oh my. Hey, why is this in euros? They're all in euros. This is in euros. We made the account with euros. Oh my. Are you kidding me, bro? Okay, guys, we are joining the leap. Wow. Sorry, I didn't mean to be so aggressive. We're joining the leap. And this time we're going to win. We're going to win the leap. November 10th. The Leap Christmas Edition. The Leap Crypto Edition. Whoo! I'm excited, bro. Join. Whew. Guys, we're in the leap. We're in the leap. Let's do this. You guys better all sign up for the leap. Jake trades it. Good luck. Lock in, guys. Lock in. What's the most you've made on paper trading? I've never tried. I've never tried to make money paper trading. Bro, Javier, join this with me. We gotta lock in. We could, I mean, dude, what if we just go ham? Bro, I'm excited. This is sick. Wait, you can trade stocks? I've never tried. What do you mean how? I've never tried. I've never thought to try. Oh, how do you join the competition? Oh, go to TradingView, go to paper trading, and then there's gonna be a little button at the top to join it. And join the Christmas one too. Bro, I'm gonna have a good Christmas. I love these competitions. These competitions, I don't know. These are what I live for, bro. The TradingView, the Leap competitions. This is what I live for. This, like, one day, my dream is to win one. My dream is to win one. Wait a second. Nice little 1 minute IFG here. Wait, this looks clean. Wait, guys, this looks clean. Yo, this looks clean. Wait, guys, this looks clean. This might be my Asia trade, actually, right here. Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm taking a trade right now for my Asia sessioning. It's not a separate account, but I am taking a trade here. Asia session trade. So we swept out all these lows. We swept out equal lows, and we just got an inversion. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying to I'm trying to take it on the Tradeify account too. Yeah, we up. Okay. So I will go break even at that high. I guess I'm not gonna be in on Tradeify, but I am in this on Top Step. So oh my. Bro, dude, I checked the charts at the exact right time, bro. Oh my gosh. I checked the charts at the exact right time. So yeah, I should probably go break even here. So I'm gonna go break even here. I don't like how we're moving. No, that's okay.
Order filled.
I think we'll still go up, but it was break even. Maybe I should have held. I mean, maybe I should have held. It's fine. Dang it. I should have held it. Alright. Man, 2-minute walk. I gotta go on a 2-minute walk. Yeah, I think we're gonna go higher. Okay, 2-minute walk. Dang it! Dang it! I went break even too fast. That was a mistake. Should not have gone break even yet. Yeah. So I'm just going to take a note of it real quick in my spreadsheet, just to know I took it. Another break even. And then I'll go on a 2-minute walk. So today is November 6th. So November 5th. No, November 6th. Dude, I think there will be opportunity, though. I might keep watching the charts. Once again, I have unlimited break-evens, so it's really not a big deal. And then, yeah, I just took an inversion for IGAP. I should have held it. I should have held it. Oh, no. Wait, let's see. There might be another opportunity here. Let's see. We have a... Oh, we have an SMT, too. Oh, it just keeps getting better. We have SMT with this low. Where's Asia True Open? Okay, we might actually get another trade here. Or something like that. 1930. SMT here. Maybe we'll come down and get another sweep. That'd be actually better. Yeah, if it's not obvious, I don't need to do anything. So session SMT, because this is with Partial session SMT. Partial PM SMT. Alright, I'm gonna go on a walk. Okay, I'm going on a walk, guys. I totally think we go higher. Alright. Oh, man. We really are going higher. But I think discipline's most important right now. So we don't have a, let's see if we have a higher time frame PD array. Something to note is we are in a higher time frame downtrend. Man, but look how many times we've kind of used this as a balanced price range here. So this is a very imbalanced area price. Oh, we have not gone to it yet. You know what? We might go lower actually. Look, in line with true opens, you can see that 952 was manipulated pretty precisely right here. Right before that move up at 952. That's where we got this final soup. So yeah, we'll probably go lower actually. And a 5-minute implied gap. Yeah, guys, I think maybe just short here. Is it obvious enough though? Maybe it's not obvious. It might not be obvious enough. Oh wait, could we have a 2022 model? Right, we swept out these highs. Wait. Is there a true open here? Watch the this is a suspension block. Watch the volume bounce there. Nothing's obvious. There's a good thing I did not do anything there. Nothing's obvious here. But look at how we swept out those equal lows. I mean, it kind of makes me suspicious. This is a 4-hour BPR. It's also a 1-hour one. It's also a 15-minute one. Let's actually use this one specifically. Oh, now we're cooking. Wait. 15-minute for value gap. We got a CRT here. We're below our true opens. We swept out equal lows. We already got the other thing. So this looks like maybe 2022 gap. Guys, this might be worth it. Should we try it? 1 minute change in state. Maybe you consider entering on this right here. We have a volume bounce at the bottom of it. I don't know what it is, but I'm enjoying trading Asia. Right, so this is a supercharged gap because we've used it. We've used it 3 times. Why did you enter the trade if it was not obvious? Which one? The inversion? Sometimes you want to make a good decision right in the moment. It's not easy. This looks good. I'm not gonna lie, this looks good. I kind of wanted to see us come down and hit this though. I don't know. I'm trying my best, BLJ. I do think we'll go higher though. Because I am trying my best, you know. It's like, so yeah, we've used this once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Now we're getting CRT back to the upside. Below the true open here and here. Where's the... Yeah, this 1 minute change in state was nice. Oh, man, I like this. I like this, but it's like, okay, I think we just gotta execute. Should I execute this? Whatever, I missed it. It's okay. I think we're going higher here. Thank you, appreciate it. I'm just trying to make a good decision, alright? Man, the 30-second IPG was fine. 30-second inversion to the upside was fine. Trying to be patient and disciplined. We have 15-minute CRT to the upside pretty clearly. So I'm expecting us to drop to the CRT high. Where's the true open for the 90-minute cycle? I mean for the 22-minute cycle. Hey, we're going down now. Glad I didn't do anything. So this fair value gap might hold. Here we go. This one. Hey, so we just went below 2021. So I think we go higher out of this. Okay. Inducement of this low here. Yeah, I think equilibrium will be good. Let's try it. I think we're gonna try this. Stop at the low. I think this is worth a try. So maybe even like this. We could even wait for a low time frame change and stay out of it to the upside. Right, because we also have SMT with this low. Session SMT. So this is low time frame AMD. Then on the high time frame it's AMD. And then maybe on the higher time frame it's CRT. Then again, maybe bias is bearish, who knows. Once again, 8-hour inversion, I said that we were going to go lower out of that. And what happened? Do you still use the order block CSD? Yeah, exactly, I do. So maybe going off of the 1 minute order block here, this could end up being nice. But I think there's opportunity here. That's why I'm trading, right? Because I do think that there is opportunity. Let's see. So yeah, equal lows. Definitely accumulation above. How's YM looking? Wait, we have S&T with that with YM. Wait. Bond ES, are these equal lows? Oh, ES is equal lows. Never mind, guys. ES is equal lows. Ew. And we manipulated the 20-minute trade. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. Gross. Never mind. Never mind. Now I want to take a short. We just rebalanced the premium. Wait, did we? No, we didn't. Okay, I might just tape read then, guys. Closed out of it. I mean, there is CRT to the upside. But $15-minute, 1 minute. Yeah, maybe we just, man, 1 minute changed state to the downside here. Just thinking. So the market might continue to the downside then. I don't know. Not super sure. I guess this is why you gotta go top down, huh? Alright, top down. I think we're in the, we got 8 hour. Where's the LRLR? I know that's your favorite. Yeah, that's a great question. LRLR is my favorite. Well, first things first. LRLR, I think on the higher time frame, I think we're going to draw to this. Like I said earlier today, this 8 hour inverse to the downside. So, seeming like we're drawing down to this LRLR, so I guess dropping down time frame by time frame. We are expanding lower. We obviously are expanding lower with displacement. So yeah, you know what? Now I think about it, I think there's no reason to anticipate a bullish move. And then we did have a bearish S&T with this 8 hour IPG right here. So we're probably going to go run the lows. Did we ever get a true open? And the reason I'm trading right now, by the way, guys, is because it's looking like Asia's going to move. I'm not going to lie. Asia's looking clean. Asia's got good price action. So check the daily low I mentioned. Yeah. Sometimes, guys, you just go off of how price action is looking. And right now, Asia's looking clean. So the daily low you mentioned, the old Friday low. Wait. It was Friday's low. Maybe send me an image because I might be confused. Yeah, look at this liquidity pool. This is looking juicy. Friday's on all three. Yeah, maybe just send me an image because I don't know. I'm kind of Friday's like we're on Thursday. Oh, this Friday low. Oh, this one. Oh. So oh, yeah, that's interesting. I see that now. I see that, Javier. That is very interesting, right? Friday's low was used here on ES. Wow, that was precise, bro. That's pretty cool. Interesting. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna go lower. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. So if I do take another trade, I'm gonna be thoughtful. But I think the draw on liquidity is lower. Because 8-hour inverse the downside, sell side of the curve here. Well, unless there's like SMT or something. No, I'm not seeing SMT. Yeah, it looks like we're breaking old lows to the downside and then displacing lower. You guys see what I'm saying? Like, see how we broke this low and we're breaking lows again? 2022 model breaking lows. So I would say we're drawn here. And then if we did get an entry, theoretically you could hold it, which is kind of cool, but I'm not going to do that. Yeah, this is looking like a 2022 model of its own, actually. Right? Liquidity sweep. So first liquidity sweep, break of structure for value gap. Now liquidity sweep, break of structure for value gap. So we could look for 1 minute change in state out of this. 2022 model to the downside. Yeah, guys, I think this is clean. Seeming like we're going to go lower. We just rejected that. I don't know. Might not be obvious. I don't want to force it if it's not there. Maybe it'd be better as a... Oh, that momentum candle looks kind of good. I think we'll go lower here. I don't know. I don't want to take it if I'm not sure. Maybe on a retest, maybe on one more retest of this initial change in state. Oh, we have a 5-minute change in state right here. Is there a 1 hour key level? Yeah, I think we go lower. Dang. I'm not doubting myself. I'm just looking for an entry, right? Because we're obviously in the higher time frame, liquidity sweep, break of structure for value gap thing, and then we're in the lower time frame one as well. Liquidity sweep, break of structure for value gap, liquidity sweep, break of structure. So once again, 15-minute for value gap. Maybe on one final retest of this change in state here. Yeah, I think that's the move, honestly. Okay, when we retest this, I'm going to do regular flow state. Entry here, stop, 4 projections. I mean, take profit 4 projections, because I do think we're drawing down lower. And like this. Yeah, this is worth taking. This is worth taking. It's just an obvious flow state, you know what I'm saying? We might end up coming back to OTE. We might not. Yeah, I think maybe OTE is better. But that's a crazy RR trade. I don't know. If it's not obvious, maybe not. I should have entered it, bro. Oh my. Nah, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just trying to figure this out. Like, is this really a good trade or am I making this up? Might be making it up. Alright, am I set up this time? I'm set up. I just don't know if it's a good trade. I think I might be making it up. Like I said, we might have a 2022 model to the upside. Like, maybe we go lower, but we don't go lower till, like, London or something. Yeah, I don't think it's obvious enough. What was my original analysis anyway? Here, let's get the true opens back. Have I noticed? I don't know. So you think I should take it? Which one's my original analysis? Yeah, because we manipulated 1930 really nicely, and then we also manipulated 1952 nicely. Oh, yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Well, sometimes you also just need to execute patience and just understand, like, it might not be the highest probability trade. Would you look at that? It's playing out. It's okay, though. It's okay. Once again, when I'm right, it's like no drawdown. So... yeah, I think we go lower here. Yeah, maybe I just take this as a change in state, guys. Guys, I think we just take this as a change in state. I know that's not like a normal trade of mine, but like you can just tell we have a good break-even spot and then we can let it run. Delivering from a fair value gap. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and take it. Let's just do it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
So I'm just planning to go break even here. Oh my gosh, bro. Let's see if this stops me out or not. And then I'm going to target the fourth projection of the original flow state. So this. So I'm only going to target there. Maybe just don't go break even, honestly, because it might come back up. And I could take most off and then leave a runner. So, I don't know. Just a thought. Alright. Thanks, appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, I think the draw on liquidity is lower, and so I think this model will play out, but we'll see. You might not want to go break even because this is the second projection. We might react out of it. Chart, please. Oh, you want to see the chart? Man, maybe it wasn't so good. Mom, I forced it. Whatever. I want to get out of this, bro. Oh, this was such... No, bro. This was a
Order
bad
filled.
trade. This was a bad trade. Alright.
Order filled. That was not so good of a trade. Dang it. Dang it. Now it's obvious that we're going up. It ended up being a Phoenix model to the upside. Alright, I'm done. Closing out. Alright, I'll be back to trade again tomorrow, so yeah. Okay. I'll be back to trade again tomorrow. That sucks though. It's not a big deal. I think the trade was not obvious enough. And that's the kind of stuff that happens when, well, when, I don't know, I don't know, just sometimes it feels like that. But now it looks like we're going higher. right? We definitely had an inversion here. Now it looks like we're going much, much higher. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, that other trade was not that good. Dang it. Okay. Yeah, I just gotta be done now. So obviously, because I took a loss. So thank you guys for watching. And I don't know. I'm gonna probably be trading Asia and London more often. Once again, I don't think I did anything inherently super wrong. It's just a loss. But I think the trade wasn't as obvious as is maybe like something like this. So yeah, I think it's okay. With that, I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Peace out. And note how I was disciplined throughout the entire process, accepted the outcome, and yeah. All right. See you guys later.